Hey everybody, this is Bonnie with Bonnie Bay Crochet, and I am going to be going on an adventure this October. This will be October 23rd through the 25th, that's 2025, to Prince Edward Island at the Fibre Festival there. And I just wanted to invite you along to come with me during the most beautiful time of the year when all the leaves are going to be changing. This is going to be at the Delta Hotels Prince Edward, 18 Queen Street and Charlottetown. For those of you who aren't familiar, this is the land of Anne of Green Gables. I've never been there, and I'm really looking forward to this time up in Canada. Well, let me go ahead and tell you a little bit about some of the classes I'm going to be teaching. I'm going to be teaching Introduction to Crocheting Post Cables. And we're going to be covering a number of different ways of doing this. Another class is going to be crocheting beautiful trims and borders. And I'm going to be teaching a class called Intro to Reading Crochet Patterns and Stitch Diagrams. And I have a guarantee with that class that you will be able to read crochet patterns and that it will be easier than reading text messages from your younger friends, I promise. And we're also going to be covering reading stitch diagrams as well. Very, very important, but I hope to really make this a fun class. Also going to be teaching on multiple ways to crochet ribbing. I think you're going to find that one a lot of fun too. And the last class is 3 ways to crochet braided cables. So please consider joining me in Prince Edward Island at the Fibre Festival this coming October 23rd through the 25th. You can find all the information and the links you need in the video description below. God bless. Bye-bye.